Apple's upcoming iPhone SE 4 is generating immense buzz, with leaks and rumors painting an exciting picture of what could be a game-changing addition to their affordable smartphone lineup. In this exclusive breakdown by Technology Review, we'll dive into what makes this device stand out and why it might disrupt the mid-range market in 2025. Dynamic Design Revolution. The iPhone SE 4 has taken a bold leap in its design, ditching the classic aesthetic of previous SE models for a more modern approach. Instead of the traditional notch or home button, leaks suggest that the SE 4 will sport Apple's Dynamic Island, a feature currently reserved for flagship models like the iPhone 15 Pro. Evan Blass recently shared images revealing the device's front panel, confirming the Dynamic Island integration. This aligns the Southeast 4's appearance closely with the iPhone 16, which might spark debates about product overlap in Apple's lineup. Adding to its elegance, Sonny Dixon's dummy unit leaks showcase the phone in black, white, and possibly a vibrant product red finish. With its flat-sided design, housing volume buttons, a mute switch, and a physical SIM tray, the SE 4 promises a sleek, refined look. Display and build quality. The iPhone SE 4 is expected to feature a 6.1-inch OLED display, delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. While earlier reports suggested a 60 Hz refresh rate, Apple may surprise us with something more competitive, given the mid-range market's evolving standards. The device's aluminum frame adds durability, and its compact form factor ensures comfort in hand. Its single rear camera setup, accompanied by a microphone and LED flash, balances functionality and simplicity, perfect for its target audience. Performance upgrades. Under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is rumored to house Apple's A17 Pro or the even newer A18 Bionic chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM. These configurations promise blazing fast performance, from multitasking to gaming, making the SE 4 competitive with higher-end devices. Expect Apple's AI and machine learning advancements to shine on this device, enabling features like real-time photo enhancements, augmented reality applications, and improved Siri performance. Camera, a leap forward. The SE series traditionally offered modest camera performance, but the SE 4 changes the game. A rumored 48MP main sensor, borrowed from flagship models, will deliver outstanding photo quality. Whether capturing detailed landscapes or vibrant portraits, this upgrade ensures users won't miss out on high-end photography experiences. Additionally, software enhancements like Smart HDR, Night Mode, and ProRAW support are likely, further elevating the SE 4's camera prowess. Color palette and aesthetic appeal. While the leaked colors, black, white, and product red, are staples in Apple's lineup, rumors suggest additional hues may debut. Could a bold blue or pastel green variant be on the horizon? Apple's strategy to appeal to younger, style-conscious users might push them in this direction. Battery life and charging. Apple has steadily improved battery life across its devices, and the SE 4 will benefit from these advancements. Coupled with the energy-efficient A18 chip and a larger battery, users can expect all-day usage without frequent recharging. Fast charging via USB-C and potential support for MagSafe accessories are exciting additions, bringing the SE 4 in line with Apple's latest standards. Competitive pricing. The iPhone SE 4 is projected to start at $499, a slight increase over its predecessor, but justified by its significant upgrades. This pricing positions it as a compelling option for users seeking high-end features at a reasonable cost. Release timeline. All signs point to an early 2025 launch, likely in March. Apple's spring events often spotlight updates to their affordable lineup, and the SE 4 could headline this year's announcements. Why the iPhone SE 4 matters. Accessibility. It offers flagship-level features at a fraction of the cost, making advanced technology available to a broader audience. Performance. With cutting-edge chips and software, the SE 4 ensures longevity and reliability. Design evolution. The move to a dynamic island and OLED display signifies a major shift for Apple's affordable line. Market disruption. The SE 4 could dominate the mid-range market, challenging competitors like Samsung and Google. Technology Review's take. The iPhone SE 4 is more than just another budget-friendly iPhone, it's a statement. With a modern design, powerful hardware, and an attractive price point, it bridges the gap between affordability and premium features. For those hesitant to splurge on a flagship, the SE4 offers an ideal middle ground without compromising quality. What are your thoughts on the iPhone SE4? Will it live up to the hype? Share your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Review for more updates on Apple's latest innovations.